Still getting used to that. Nice. Okay, so I have a huge treat for us today. I have 10 days of growth. Yeah, it's thick. So, my last few videos I did I was using a Gillette Platinum safety razor. Now I'm gonna put in the feather blades. And I mean, that's a lot of growth. I don't know if it's gonna be able to cut through it or not. I damn near, if I cut all this in, I've got a beard. So yeah, I've already lathered up some soap by Sterling Soaps. And let me start lathering up. Yeah, that's really thick. It's a very thick beard. Wow. I'm getting peaks from the shave soap just on my beard. Look at that. Freaking amazing. All right, let me work this in. Add some warm water to it. Wow, that's thick. All right, let's heat up the Merkur 34C HD with a feather blade. Go in for the first pass, which I'm going to go against the green. Yeah, there's a lot of growth. Threw it pretty good. Should have had a camera on my sink. That hair is long. Okay. And I tell you what I really like about this razor is if I don't get the correct angle, it doesn't cut, which is awesome for me because I'm still learning this. Yeah, you can see where it was missing, but then, you know, when I achieved the correct angle with the blade, it just cut right through it. I mean, that's nice. All right, with the green on my chin. can see on this side, I didn't get quite the angle, but look at this side where I got a better angle. Isn't that something? Yeah, it's still a hard pass for me. All right, with the green, Nick. All right, first pass with the green. Cheeks look good. Got to cut that in a little bit better. Neck, still a lot down there. Still a lot down there, especially lower. So, let's lather back up. Definitely for me, second pass is easier. And I'm gonna try, oop, looks like I might have nicked myself right there. A lot of beard. Okay. All right, second pass. I'm gonna go against the grain. See what we can do. I might as well just start up here like usual. Got that cut in right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that angle underneath my chin is hard in my jawline. Still getting used to that. Let's go against the grain neck. Might as well flip it. All right. Okay. So, cheeks, a little bit down there. Neck. Can feel a little bit. That'll probably go back in. Yeah, I'm gonna touch up some spots. Got surgery on Thursday, so I don't want to have to shave again. And if I make 3 passes, won't have to. All right, so I'm gonna go. Yeah, and one thing I've noticed too is like right in here on my face, my hair is growing this way. So against the grain really on my chin would be the same as, you know, my lower part. Besides it back here by my ear. Well, I'm still picking some up. But yeah. Something to go for a 3-pass shave. is because you're going to achieve all those angles, so it doesn't matter which way your hair grows because you're going to get it. Flip the razor. Yeah, much better. All right, my conclusion, it did a great job. I did nick myself right there. This is a alum block. Cheeks, no stinging. I do have some stinging there. Neck. Oh, yep, a little bit right there. Little stinging. Lower, not really anything. Yep, just right up in here, over here, and right in here. And obviously where I nicked myself. Yeah, that was a good shave. Yeah, that was a good shave. Now I'm going to be using the Nivea shaving balm. Good stuff. I highly recommend it. Oh yeah, for sure. Okay, so that feather blade did one hell of a job. Was it as good as the Gillette Platinum? Right now I'm gonna say no. I'll write in the comments below if there's any razor burn or, you know, is it BBS? I think so. I mean, I don't really feel anything, a little bit, but you know, 15-20 minutes, that's, you know, when my skin gets back down to room temperature, it's going to, you know, my hairs are going to go back into my face. So yeah, I would say I acquired that. So feather blade's still a good blade, but I think the Gillette Platinum has you. Sorry. All right, well, you folks have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.